absolute refractive index denoted by the letter N. N is equal to C by V. What is C? Speed of light in vacuum. By speed of light in medium. Absolute refractive index or refractive index. What is absolute refractive index? It is the ratio between speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum is denoted by letter C. Speed of light in medium denoted by letter V. Here no units. Because it is a number, so there is no units for this. And speed of light in vacuum or air, this value is taken as 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Sometimes the value of speed of light in vacuum or air not given at that time. Directly you can write C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Once again, see what is absolute refractive index. Sometimes say refractive index also denoted by letter N. N is equal to C by V. C means speed of light in vacuum. V means speed of light in medium. It is a ratio between speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Units means no units. Suppose C value not given in the problem, directly you can write 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Next one is relative refractive index. Suppose N21 is equal to N2 by N1. Relative refractive index. Suppose refractive index of the second medium relative to the first medium, this is denoted as N21 is equal to N2 by N1. N2 means refractive index of the second medium. N1 means formula is V1 by V2. What is V1 means? Speed of light in first medium to the speed of V2 means speed of light in the second medium. So relative refractive index is denoted by, suppose N21 is equal to N2 by N1 or V1 by V2. Here also no units. Next one is factors of refractive index. What are the important factors depends on refractive index? First one is nature of medium or material. Second one is wavelength of light. Whatever the medium you take, that nature depends upon the nature of the medium. Second point is wavelength of the light. And independent of refractive index. Independent factor of light, that is frequency. Suppose light ray travels from one medium to another medium, which factor does not change means frequency. Either light ray travels from rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium, whatever it may be, this factor does not change. Rarer to denser. Suppose light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards normal. For example, Here ON is the normal, AO is the incident ray, OB is the refracted. Then light ray travels from there to denser medium. The light ray bends towards the normal. Another one is denser to rarer. A light ray travels from denser to rarer medium. Refracted ray moves away from the normal. These 2 points very important, remember. And suppose light ray travels along the direction of normal, there is no deviation. There is no deviation means there is no change of light ray path. Suppose light ray travels separation of the two media, that is along xy. In that case also there is no change in the direction. These 2 points also remember. Here factors of the refractive index, only 2 factors are the nature of the medium, second one is wavelength of the light. Independent of factor of light means that is the frequency. Another 2 point means light ray travels from rarer to denser medium and denser to rarer. Rarer to denser means the refracted ray moves towards the normal because the speed of light decreases in the denser medium compared to the rarer medium. Suppose light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, the refracted ray moves away from the normal because the speed of light increases in the rarer medium, that's why it moves away from the normal. Suppose light ray travels along the direction of normal or along the direction of separation of the two media, that is xy, there is no change in the direction of light. Suppose a fish is swimming in water. Is it easier or difficult to shoot the fish? Why? If fish is swimming in water, that means that is denser medium. This is air, this is water. Light ray coming from denser to rarer medium, that is water to air, what will happen? It moves away from the normal. That's why whatever the fish you can see, this is not actual fish, that is the image of the fish, so it is difficult to shoot the fish swimming in water. This is one more question. Suppose a fish is swimming in water, it is difficult to shoot the fish. Why means? Light ray coming from water to air, that means denser to rarer medium. The image of the fish we can see, that is not actual fish, so we cannot shoot the fish as it is. Another one, suppose refractive index of glass relative to water is 9/8. Find relative refractive index of water to glass. That means N GW is equal to NG by NW is equal to 9/8. refractive index of glass relative to water, that value is 9/8. If you want to find out NWG, that is 1 by NGW, that equal to NW by NG, that equal to 1 by 9/8 1 by 9/8, that is equal to 8 by 9. This is the refractive index of water with respect relative to glass. Sometimes there is no value for speed of light in vacuum. Directly you can write 3 into 10 power 8. This is another example for this. Speed of light in vacuum is given is 3 into 10 power 8. And refractive index of glass is given, that is 3 by 2. You have to find out speed of light in glass. Find the speed of light in glass having a refractive index is 3 by 2. This value is not given, but we write directly value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So n is equal to C by V is the formula. C means n value 3 by 2, C means 3 into 10 power 8 by V. Here 3 cancel, you can cross multiply. V is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. That means speed of light in glass not given, that is V. Speed of light in vacuum also not given, but directly you can write C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. Refractive index of glass is only given, that is 3 by 2. By using this formula n is equal to C by V, directly you can calculate V value. N value means 3 by 2. C means not given, 3 into 10 power 8, directly you can write V value you have to find it. Okay, next one is critical angle. What is critical angle? Critical angle means it is the angle of incidence. Critical angle means it is the angle of incidence in which the refracted ray gauges the separation of the two media. Here xy is the separation of the two media of rarer and denser. Light ray traveling from denser to rarer medium at a particular angle of incidence, the refracted ray gauges the separation of the two media. In this case, angle I is equal to C. C means critical angle. Critical angle. Here angle of refraction is 90 degrees. Sometimes directly you can say in the examination directly given, what is the angle of refraction? The angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. The angle of incidence is critical angle, then angle of refraction is 90 degrees. This is the normal, this is the refracted ray. What is the angle between these two means 90 degrees. Another one is total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection means, suppose already you know critical angle. It is a angle of incidence in which refracted ray gauges the separation of the two media. If the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, denser This is the rarer medium. Here AO is the incident ray, angle AON, angle of incidence, that value greater than critical angle, angle of critical. Suppose the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, and the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then light ray reflected in the same medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. Once again, see what is total internal reflection. This is 1 mark or 2 marks. 1 mark means directly write the definition. 2 marks means you can draw the diagram and explain the concept. When light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, if the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then light ray reflected in the same medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. Here AO is the incident ray. AON is the anguli. Anguli means that is greater than critical angle. NOP, that is angular. Angular means angle of reflection, because it is reflected in the same medium, so it is called angle of reflection. What are the important points in this total internal reflection means? One is light ray must be travel from denser to rarer medium, and the second point is angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. These 2 points remember in case of total internal reflection. Applications of TIR. What are the important applications of total internal reflection? Optical illusion or mirage. Second one is brilliance of diamond. Third one is fiber optic communication. Fiber optic endoscope. These are the main important applications of total internal reflection. First one is optical illusion or mirage. Here optical illusion or mirage. Sometimes you see on the during a sunny day on the road, some illusion parties we can see. That means image of the tree or water like moving on the road. Why it is happened means the air near the road is hot air. During hot summer day, the air near the road is very hot. Above that, that is higher altitude parties, that air is colder. So the height altitude increases, the density of air also increases. Hotter air, that means hotter air have less density compared to the colder air. Colder air at higher altitudes. So height increases, the density of air also increases, refractive index also increases, but density decrease. Compared to the hotter air, density is very less compared to the colder air. So refractive index of hotter air is less compared to the colder air. So air moves, we can see directly, we can see the tree. At the time of reflection, what will happen? It moves just near part of the hot rail and again come back to the our place. What will happen? It moves from denser medium to rarer medium. Because of the various density of the mediums, total internal reflection takes place. Then it moves like a water layer on the road. This is called optical illusion or mirage. Here once again see optical illusion or mirage means sometimes you see during sunny days on the road some water layer is moving the image of the tree or any object. Why it is happening means the air near the road is very hot and the higher altitudes air is colder. Hot air having less density and refracting index also less. Colder air means that is height condition and this density is more, refracting index also more. So the light ray coming from colder ray to hot ray, it moves towards the bending takes place because of the total internal reflection takes place. That means denser medium to rarer medium, what will happen? You see, sometimes it moves away from the normal and total internal reflection also takes place. Because of this total internal reflection, this optical illusion or mirages are formed. Another one is brilliance of diamond. Brilliance of diamond means that critical angle of diamond is 24.4 degrees. Because of the critical angle of diamond, once light ray enter into the diamond, it moves number of times inside, going inside and come back lately. That means emerging light is very light compared to the incident light. That means total internal reflection takes place number of times in the diamond. That's why it is appear to be brilliant. Fiber optic communication means in this communication system, we can send the messages, light messages, long distances without any disturbance, and that is called fiber optic communication. This is fiber optic endoscope means already you know that doctors use this fiber optic endoscope to find out the ulcers in the small intestine of the stomach. These are the main applications of total internal reflection.